Hey everyone, my name is Daniel, I'm an indie game developer, and last week I made a game for the charity movement called Team Seas. Team Seas is all about fishing trash out of the ocean and fighting against climate change with that. Then fellow game dev Polymars is hosting a game jam, which is a game making competition for Team Seas. It's to spread around Team Seas in the game dev and gaming community. And all money earned from the live stream where Polymars and Borgi play all games from the jam will go to Team Seas. You can donate some money to Team Seas as well. I donated a few bucks, and even if it's only $1, you remove trash out of the ocean. But how could we make a game about cleaning the oceans and make it even fun? First of all, I want to have a direction how the game looks and from what perspective you look. Then I made 4 types of trash, which is a mask, a bottle, a toilet paper roll and a tin can. Besides the trash, I also made fishes in 4 different colors. The concept of the game is this: you play as the fishing hook, which constantly moves. You can switch the movement direction with X though. Your goal is to fish the trash out of the ocean without hurting a single fish. When you have fished all the trash out of the ocean, you move on to the next level until there are no levels anymore. When it comes to making the game fun, I followed 2 concepts: the concept of impact and the one of challenge, reward and punishment. I made videos on both concepts, so if you're further interested in that, maybe give them a try. Anyway, you can find impact in destroying trash, challenge is there by avoiding killing the fishes, rewarding that you move on to the next level when cleaning the ocean, and punishment that you need to restart when killing a fish. With this idea in mind, I directly got into making the game. I programmed in all the basic gameplay, and after this I improved the visuals. I did some shader work, especially for the water and stuff in it, together with post-processing. I just added some grain, a vignette, color correction and bloom. Then I made lighting with soft shapes and a few particles flying around the scene. Then I got onto building levels and ended up with 8 unique levels to play. After this I threw together a splash and an end screen, as well as a main menu. For this I placed some fishes around the water and a play, tutorial and quit button. Playing will lead you to the first level, quitting, and the tutorial will lead you to an error because we haven't made a tutorial yet. So let's do that. It's not an interactive tutorial in the end, but it tells you everything you need. Simple and clear. I made it with a panel system and only a bit of text to make it easy to understand. With this I only had 1 task left: audio. I downloaded some music from a website I really like and recently found. Then I downloaded an ocean ambient sound and put it in as well. Lastly, I put in my audio manager and added sound effects like attacking, losing and another one for starting the game. With this I finished this project and called it Sea Saver. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like my content, I would highly appreciate if you subscribe to the channel and hit that nice little bell. See you next time. Cheers.